sky will play. Shadows dance in the cool decay. Whispers of yesterday, lost in the breeze. Life echoes softly among the trees. Children laugh and chase the glow. Footsteps on paths we used to know. Memories hidden in every stone. Time takes us, but we never feel alone. In the park where dreams are blind, stories told through space and time. Every heartbeat leaves a mark, singing echoes in the park. Autumn leaves fall like painted rain. Ghosts of spring show sweet disdain. Stars above like ancient sparks, guiding our way through the misty dark.